Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 8 subject Social Science chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is What is Around Us. Today dear children we have done the revision part 3. Before starting revision part 3, dear children we have to learn in the revision part 2 about the hydrosphere. We things we have to learn in revision part 2 dear children. In revision part 2 we have learned about the hydrosphere and how the hydrosphere is very useful to us. We know very well that some lower portion of the surface of the earth which are filled with water are known as a hydrosphere. After dear children, today we have to start learning that write a short note on the atmosphere. In revision part 3, today we start there learning about the atmosphere. Now, when a fireball which later came to be known as the earth. Dear children, you know very well that when a fireball which later came to be known as the earth detached from the sun and cooled down, certain element transformed into the gaseous form which came to be known as the atmosphere. Which is known as the atmosphere, dear children. Certain element transformed into which form? In gaseous form, which came to be known as the atmosphere. The covering of the air wrapping the earth from all the four sides is called as the atmosphere. What is called as atmosphere? The covering of the air wrapping the earth from how many sides? All the four sides is called as the atmosphere. Air is colorless, odorless and the transparent. Unlike the lithosphere and the hydrosphere, atmosphere cannot be seen with the naked eye. What happened dear children? Here, lithosphere and hydrosphere we can see by eyes, but atmosphere cannot be seen with the naked eyes. It extends up to, what happened dear children? Here the atmosphere, it extends up to how much kilometer? It extends up to 1600 kilometer from the surface of the earth. When we go higher, what happened dear children? When we go higher from surface of the earth, the amount of most of the gases in the atmosphere is decreasing. Dear children, be remember and careful. What happened there? When we go higher from the surface of the earth, the amount of the most of the gases in the atmosphere is decreasing. After dear children, you know very well that elements of all the form. What happened there? Elements of all the form, solid, liquid and gases are included in atmosphere. Which things are included in atmosphere dear children? Elements of all the form. Now, which are the all the forms of the element? Solid, liquid and the gases are included in the atmosphere. The atmosphere is composed of the various gases, water vapor, dust particle, metals, saline particles and the microorganisms. And we know very well that in atmosphere it contains 78% of the nitrogen, 21% of the oxygen and 1% of the other gases. Dear children, remember this data. Which one? That atmosphere contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and 1% of the other gases. Atmosphere also contains a very small proportion of the ozone gas. It is found in the major portion in an open ground on an early morning and near the sea coast. Carbon dioxide gas is heavy. Dear children, you know very well that the carbon dioxide gas is heavy. So, it settles in the lower layer of the air and it becomes the less as one goes up in the air. However, the most important components in the atmosphere is water. When water evaporates due to the heat, it turns into the vapor and mix with air, which is known as a moisture. What is known as a moisture, dear children? Water evaporates due to the heat, it turns into the vapor and mix with air, which is known known as a moisture. Moisture is one of the most vital elements of the atmosphere. And we know very well that atmosphere is very useful for the living beings. Now dear children, if you see the importance of the atmosphere, then we know very well that the effect of the atmosphere is seen on the food habit, lifestyle, clothing, habitats, economic activities of the human being. What happened there, dear children? The effect of the atmosphere we have to see in the different areas like food habit, lifestyle, clothing, habitats, economic activities of the human beings. We are able to listen to the sound only due to the medium of the atmosphere. Even telecasting and the broadcasting are possible due to the atmosphere. Remember dear children, what happened there? Telecasting and broadcasting is possible due to the atmosphere. Now dear children, next one, they have to given that write a short note on the biosphere. Now we have completed about atmosphere. Next one is 4 part is biosphere. Life developed on the earth due to the land and its crust, it means lithosphere. The water to drink, it means hydrosphere. And the air to breathe, it known as the atmosphere. This is known as a biosphere. Dear children, what is the meaning of the biosphere? We remember life developed on earth due to the land and its crust. It means they have to say about the lithosphere. The water to drink, it means hydrosphere. And air to breathe is atmosphere. This is known as a biosphere. In another word, if you have to define the biosphere, then we can say that the part of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where the living world is spread is called as a biosphere. What is called as a biosphere, dear children? The part of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere where the living world is spread is called as a biosphere. And you know very well that lithosphere concerned with the solid thing, hydrosphere concerned with the liquid form, and the atmosphere concerned with the gaseous form. Where these three form, where then the living world is spread is called as a biosphere. It means in biosphere these three things are to be included. Biosphere include the human beings, animals and vegetation. Now what happened there, dear children? We can say the biosphere include human beings, animal as well as the vegetation. The most important sphere of the earth is the biosphere. Dear children, we remember that. Which is the most important sphere of the earth? Biosphere. Why? Because about three spheres, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, these three spheres are included into the biosphere. In the entire solar system, Earth is the only planet that has the biosphere. Dear children, remember what? In the entire solar system, Earth is the only planet that has the biosphere. Biosphere is the base of the existence in the life of all the vegetation and animals. So what happened there? Due to the biosphere, we can say that the base of the existence in the life of all the vegetation and animal. Life is not possible without a biosphere. Dear children, you know very well that our life is not possible without a biosphere. Living beings obtain their food and many other necessary things from the biosphere. What happened there, dear children? Living beings obtain their food and many other necessary things from the biosphere. Biosphere is divided into two divisions. So what happened there, dear children? Here the biosphere is divided into how many divisions? In two divisions. Which are the two divisions? One is a non-living and second one is a living. These two are the division of the biosphere. Which one? Non-living and living. The non-living division include, now dear children, in non-living division we can include lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. I am repeating, dear children. In non-living division you can include lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Why? In the living division, what happened there? In living division comprises of the plant, animal and microorganism. microorganisms. It means we can say that in living division we include the plants, animals and the microorganisms. So dear children, today we have to learn about the two things. One thing we have to learn about the atmosphere, and second thing we have to learn about the biosphere, and you have to remember very carefully. Thank you dear children.